behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, we see in unison all 3 robots dropping off the game pieces that they started with. And Duncan Dynamics up and over the charging station on the hunt for some more. Blue Alliance, meanwhile, they have 3 game pieces scored, and Highlander Robotics made it onto the charging station by the end of Autonomous. It is Red Alliance, however, who will start the teleop period with the lead, but Blue is quickly ready to try and make that up. We see Highlander Robotics dropping a cube into the upper row, and their alliance partners, Presentation Invasion, delivering a cube as well. And in fact, our match is tied momentarily. Red Alliance this time pulls ahead, however, and Unirex on their way back from the loading zone with a cone, getting it into the upper row and ready to add to that lead. Duncan Dynamics placing a cone of their own in the upper row, but it is just as quickly matched by the exact same accomplishment by Highlander Robotics for the Blue Alliance. And Highlander Robotics at their loading zone, trying to pick up a cone. They lose hold of the first one. Unfortunately, the same thing happens the second time, but they are still on the hunt for a piece to pick up and score. And we have just 6 points separating our alliances now. Highlander Robotics dropping off a cube this time, getting it into the middle row. And it looks like we have 5 cubes filled out in the bottom row for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance, however, making their way past some traffic at midfield. Unirex coming back with a cube, and Milken Knights trying to clear the way for their alliance partners to score. And with just over 50 seconds to go, Duncan Dynamics this time bringing a cube to the upper row and completing a 4th link for the Red Alliance, earning them at least 1 extra ranking point in this match. 40 seconds to go, and the Red Alliance still focusing on that game piece scoring. Unirex bringing a cube to the middle row, and banking on having enough time to head to their loading zone and back to add another. And meanwhile on Blue, Presentation Invasion has fully filled out the bottom row of Blue Alliance. All of those hybrid nodes filled with cubes. And Presentation Invasion now onto that Blue Alliance charging station and waiting patiently for some of their alliance partners. And it was just over 10 seconds. Red Alliance has 2 of their robots trying to get on the charging station themselves. 5 seconds, and Blue Alliance has 2 robots docked and engaged. 3 seconds, Red Alliance robots trying to get there in the nick of time. It looks like Red Alliance robots stay on the charging station, but do not quite manage to get it level. By a score of 141 points to the Blue Alliance's 110. Red Alliance comes away from that match with 3 ranking points, and although Blue Alliance did not get the victory, they do earn 2.